Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you the easiest method to host your Django applications. We'll be using Heroku, which is basically a platform that is used for hosting web applications. So first we go to signup.heroku.com where we can sign up and make our account. I will add the link in the description below. You just fill in all the details. I have an account, but still just to show you I'm making another account with another email ID so that the entire process can be shown in the video. Django is in Python, so we choose Python. Create a free account. It will ask you to go to your Gmail account and verify the account. Confirm your account. It will confirm. Okay. It will ask you to create a new password. I'll just use my old password. That's it, you're registered, and now you can just go back to the login page and log in into the account. Okay. Okay, so I think you're logged in already. Yeah, so if you open, you're already logged in, and you click on create a new app. So today I'll be using one of my older projects that to show you how it is hosted on GitHub. I'll just run this application and also show it to you so that how it looks on the local machine you can see. The name of the application is survey-earth. It's basically a surveying application. Python.manage.py run server. Just a second. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So that's it. I've run my application. I'll just show it to you here. See, it's basically a surveying application where you can have your questions and votes can be given for per question, and how many people have already given that have answered that question. You'll find the statistics back to polls. So basically this is the application that I'm going to host right now. So yeah, so moving back to our Heroku application where we said create a new app. We choose the name of our app. I'll just choose survey. I'll just click I'll just type survey earth. That will be the name of my application. There are only two regions. I choose United States and create app. So that's it. The app is created. This part is pretty straightforward, but more importantly, the more important point is this will not work for Django applications. We have to do a few more steps to host our Django application. So the first thing that you should do is that So the first thing that you should do is that open up your settings.py that is there in your main application, and on the top, like on the first line, you have to add the lines import Django _ Heroku. Okay, you have to write this one line, import Django.Heroku, and save it. And also another thing that you have to do is go to the end of the settings.py and you have to add another line, that is this. I've pasted it here. I'll add all these lines in the description below. You can just copy paste them. Django _ Heroku.settings bracket local open bracket close bracket and then again close bracket. So this one line also you'll have to add in the settings.py. So these two are very important. And another important thing that you'll have to do is you'll have to make a requirements.txt which will have all the required libraries that you need for your application to run. So I'm making my requirements.txt. I require only Django django underscore Heroku that we imported in that settings.py file. And one more thing that you'll need is gunicorn. This is basically to help you. This I'll also add these in the description below. So this gunicorn is also very important to run your application properly on Heroku. Okay, so I've just made these three. I've just written these three things in my in a blank file, in a blank notepad or whatever, and I'll go to my and I'll just save it as requirements. The name has to be requirements.txt. Okay, requirements.txt. All the libraries that are required should be there in the requirements.txt file. Okay, now this is done. Another important thing, oh, I think I've saved it in the wrong place. Okay, no, it's there, but yeah, I've saved it in a different folder. I'll get it to the right. It should be there in the normal in the folder that you're already using. Okay, so I think I saved it here. I'll just take it from here and put it inside this. Okay, so yeah, we have a requirement.txt file ready. And another thing that is very important here is we need a proc file. I'll show you the contents of the proc file that should be there. So open up a new text editor, paste your content of the proc file. I'll add these three lines in the description below that have to be there in the proc file. So here, instead of this, you'll have to give the name of the project that you have created. The name of the project that we have created here is survey-earth, right? So I'll just give this name in the proc file. So that's it. The other three lines, the other two lines will be the same. You just copy paste them from the description below. Save it as proc. Go to that folder and save it as procfile. Okay, that's it. All the steps that we require to host in the first place are done. So okay, I think you'll have to make the name of the proc file with capital P. Just check that out. It should always be a capital P. Okay, proc file. That's it. Okay, so all the main steps that we need before we actually host our application are now done, and we can start hosting. So the first thing that you'll have to do is open up a terminal in the folder that we have. In the folder where your in your project folder, open up a terminal. You can use CD or directly open up in that folder itself by clicking on open terminal. So the first command that we need to run is Heroku Login. We need to enter the command Heroku Login in the terminal. You can use these commands from the website of Heroku, or I'll also add them in the description below. So enter the command Heroku Login and it will take you to your Heroku. So first it will say press any key to open up the browser to log in. So I click on enter. It takes us to our Heroku page on our website on Chrome or on any of your browser. You click on login and it will ask you the password and details. You enter your login credentials and it will log in. And click login. It'll get logged in. You can just close it. You don't require this anymore. And here also it'll say logged in as your email ID. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to initialize the repository, git init. Okay. Initialize an empty git repository in this. If you don't have git, you'll have to install git also on your local machine first. Okay. Now once this is done, you can pretty much follow these commands: Heroku git remote -a survey-earth, or the name of your application. again, remote repository has been established. Now we do git add, git space add space dot. That is, dot signifies all the files and folders in this current working directly, in the directory that we are working in. So git add, it adds all the files to the repository. So we do git add, the files are added. Now we do git commit. You can do git commit with any message you want. You can just write, this is my first commit, enter. All the files are committed now, that is, they're there in the repository. Now we have to push into our Heroku page where our application is being hosted. So we've made our requirements, we've made our proc file, we've updated the settings.py. That's it. Git push Heroku master. Just wait, it'll it'll push all the files into the repository, or into the repository which will be used for hosting. As you can see, all the required stuff are being installed. Compressing, launching. It's deployed to Heroku. Verifying, deployed, done. Okay, so now we can just go to this link and our application should be there, provided there are no errors. Let me just check. I have also not hosted this application before. Okay, we've got an error. Just a second, let me just refresh. Yeah, as you can see, now the application is running, it's hosted. And as you can see, I'll click on start. You can see the questions, the options, you can choose your option, and you can see the statistics. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked the video. This is how you host an application on Django application on Heroku. This is the easiest method to host a Django application on Heroku. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.